Vivo Energy Kenya was established in November 2012, following completion of the acquisition of Kenya's downstream business from Shell. Vivo Energy Kenya serves all market segments from retail to commercial customers with a full range of products: automotive fuels, lubricants, aviation fuels, liquefied petroleum gas, and black fuels. The company offers a full portfolio of Shell's differentiated fuels, including Shell V-Power, Shell Fuel Save Unleaded, and Shell Fuel Save Diesel. Supported by the Shell Fuel Card, through Shell-branded retail outlets across the country, other products on offer include the Shell range of automotive and industrial lubricants, illuminating kerosene, liquefied petroleum gas under the Afrigas brand, and jet fuel and avgas. Vivo Energy Kenya's model of doing business has changed over the time.
In 8 years, we've doubled our footprint. We currently over 230 service stations in the country, spread across the entire country. This has not been a simple task. It's been driven by, of course, the willingness of our investors, the support of the government agencies, very dedicated staff, and our dealers to be able to achieve that milestone. And this is a big growth for us. We've turned our retail service stations into a convenience center. What you realize is once you stop at that site, it is everything you need. We have a shop, we have a tire care center, we have all types of food offers. We have, of course, the service station, pharmacy. It's a variety of offers that make sure our customers get the relevant convenience, and as such, they don't have to go far.
The commercial customers are a crucial component in the function of Vivo Energy Kenya.
I have a two-part relationship with Vivo Energy Kenya. One is that I give them a transport solution where I transport their fuel across the country. And we've had so many milestones in terms of that journey. Yeah? They've been able to take us a step up as compared to anyone else and made us an industry standard. What I mean by that is the standard of application currently that we do for Vivo Energy is world class. So I can be implanted from Vivo Energy Kenya and taken to Vivo Energy Ghana, and I'll still do the same practice. That level of taking us up to standard is from all aspects of our operations, yeah? From our journey management, yeah? To our maintenance procedures, which is preventative, from our driver management. We have looked at all of this with an overriding look at safety. So the milestone they've taken us from a safety journey point of view and an operations point of view has made us world in class. In terms of products, we have increased efficiency, increased economy. A litre of Shell product will last you longer than any other competition.
Building up an international standard kind of service station requires grit and constant improvement of the facility at hand. This is what Nick Ombati, a retailer who runs several Shell service stations in Nairobi, tells us.
Before VK came in, it was too much of a relaxed way of doing things. So VK expectation is people have to be alert, people have to be ready for the customer, people have to look for more customers. They made us retailers to be more focused on service delivery, on good customer service. And so our sales have grown tremendously over the 8 years. Vivo has also worked on us ensuring that we give excellent customer service. Our attendants have been well trained on how to treat the customers, on how to serve the customers, on how to thank the customers for bringing the money into our sites. So Vivo is moved the business to another level in the 8 years that they've been in Kenya.
How does Vivo Energy Kenya interact with members of the community?
We pride that we make contribution to the communities where we work. We look at the safety. This is the road, mainly the road transport. As you are aware, there is a lot of challenges when you have a lot of fuel trucks on the road. We also look at our environment. In all these areas, we make contribution through various bodies. We support education, we support disadvantaged kids across counties. We have a program running around that. We are very active in the road transport network through training. All our drivers undergo what we call defensive driver training. And from an environment perspective, we have made quite a number of contributions across the country where we felt it was necessary in terms of supporting the environment.
Staff membership in any company relies greatly on the manpower and skill sets that an individual brings to the table or learns over the time.
We have over 250 direct employees. We have over 150 contractors working with us. We have quite a vast number of engineering contractors, road transporters that work with us. Besides this, of course, we have our retail network, our service stations. These are employing directly more than 5,000 Kenyans.
Working with Vivo Energy Kenya has been fantastic. It has been an opportunity for me which has opened a lot for me, because one thing I've learned about management skills, I've learned about teamwork, I've learned how to deliver and at the same time to work until you get the results. I have been out there getting trainings, meeting people of different levels, where we meet, we discuss, and we come out with the solutions whereby if I was out there, I would not have that opportunity.
The level of competence has gone up. I've learned a lot through the integration, through the training that are given by the company. They are very generous in terms of training. They make growth. I started as a contractor, and then through that they build confidence. And in terms of the women, they are part of to work in a male-dominated field, and they believed in me, and I'm operating a big department that can be able to sell the product all over the country.
In line with ensuring quality standards in the products that Vivo Energy Kenya delivers to the customers, a quality control measure has been put in place.
I usually carry out a required analysis on fuels to ensure the product received from pump over, that is from KPC, is of light integrity. We have bridging trucks and wagons from Mombasa. Also, we do analysis before we offload into the tanks at the depot. This makes us to be able to meet the customers' quality expectations and also to comply with the quality assurance of the laboratory. Every morning we receive the samples and we test according to the parameters given. We have the different grade of product, and then you analyze, you compare them with the Kenya specifications. There are some laid down instructions. That is what we compare. You test what you are receiving, and then you compare. Is it meeting the specification? If it is meeting, it is the right product to sell to the customer. I started the time there was only one equipment, and that time quality controls was not a major issue. By the time the Vivo Energy came in, now they started now developing and investing a lot. Up to they started now, we have an art laboratory. We can be able now to see we have grown, we have added the equipment. In terms of equipment, I have seen people come, train them, develop them, nurture them, and they have gone and already they are working in the company. I'm proud of the achievement that we have made as a team in terms of guarding the product quality.
The COVID-19 pandemic affected businesses in a myriad of ways. You may be wondering, how did Vivo Energy Kenya handle these challenges?
We took upon ourselves through our company medical advisor to educate, to share with all the staffs, all the contractors on the need to comply with the Ministry of Health guidelines. We had quite a number of them working from home. We supported them through the infrastructure, through the movement that they needed. And I'm happy to see that we have remained a healthy workforce. We actually changed our lube oil blending plant in Mombasa to a sanitizer factory. And out of that, we contributed, or we manufactured over 350,000 liters of sanitizers as our contribution to the community, which were handed over to the government and distributed across all the counties.
The key point was now how to handle the people who are bringing the sample. The first point is sanitize, come with their own pen. We try to reduce as much as possible to share what was not supposed to be shared. So the contact was minimal.
We sat in and figured out all processes, from a business continuity process to understanding how the customer thinks, to safeguarding our drivers, safeguarding the staff, and we were able to do that in collaboration. And that partnership, we can say, we're not out of the woods yet, but that partnership has made us cover those challenges.
Vivo Energy Kenya prides itself in developing and growing with its business partners.
Having started a very small shop, and I used to own a 1-ton pickup, go into the Shell depot and pick up a few items and go in about once or twice a week. And I remember the times we had to persevere as well with a 66 cents discount per liter that we used to get in the 80s, and that's a long time ago. And the milestone here is that from a very small shop, I've actually become a very solid small-medium enterprise, and that's quite an achievement. Vivo Energy Kenya as well has been very receptive to the needs of the consumers. They have been innovative. They've brought in all the products that were required for the consumers with the ever-changing needs of the lubricant industry, which, as you know, with the newer cars coming in, there's so many new products that need to be brought in. And they've done it both for the industrial and the automotive sector.
The milestones we've been able to achieve as a business, as Dakau Transport Limited, is firstly on health and safety. On health and safety and operational excellence, we have been ranked as a professional transport company, having been audited by Vivo Energy. We've also similarly gotten a similar award, a world-class award from Lafarge Holcim, who are the owners of Bamburi Cement, which is a multinational company, and we've been able to be ranked as a 5-star transport company. We're one of the few transport companies currently on the latest ISO 9001:2015 standard. We also have been blessed to have run in the KPMG Top 100 Mid-Size Survey, and we were able to come out 8th overall and champions in the transport sector in the 2019 ranking.
With Vivo Energy Kenya having turned 8 on 2nd of November 2020, the stakeholders had this to say.
I want to tell Vivo Energy Kenya to be the market leaders. In every product they are trading, I know they can make it and they can do it. Happy birthday, Vivo Energy Kenya. Let's all keep safe.
That we keep doing what we are doing. We do it efficiently, and at the end of the day, we keep soaring to new heights.
We would obviously like to congratulate Vivo Energy Kenya upon turning 8 years and for having me on board as well. And our association with Kenya Shell and Vivo Energy is over 80 years. I wish them another 80 years, and of course, as we say in cricket, I wish they score a century, that they could have 100 years.
I would ask Vivo to continue doing what they are doing. Let them keep on expanding. Let them keep on increasing their CR offers. Let them keep on being more innovative. Let them keep on revolutionizing the oil market the way they have done over the 8 years. And for sure, they will remain the #1 oil marketing company in Kenya.
We keep the fire of growth burning. Still put the customer first, because that's the one who feeds us, is the one who makes us have that growth, and not lose focus on what we want to achieve.
As we turn 8 years, we will continue to deliver first-class world Shell product that have continued to assure you of top quality. We continue to offer top services. We will listen to you. We need you, and we are there to serve you. And thank you so much for supporting us and being with us in this phenomenal growth period.
As the next phase of Vivo Energy Kenya begins, this is the commitment from the Managing Director.
This is the assurance we give the Kenyan market. We continue to expand. Our mission really is to become number one, to be the most respected company here in Kenya, as is our vision in Africa, but most importantly, to make sure we serve every corner of this country, and we are determined to do that.